Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a roti wrap, curry chicken roti wrap. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious appetizer, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. In order for you guys to make this curry chicken roti wrap, you'll have to make curry chicken and also you'll have to make some Guyanese roti. So what I will do, in the link down below, I will leave my recipe and video for my Guyanese curry chicken, and also I will leave in the link down below my recipe for my Guyanese roti. Alright? I didn't show you guys how I make the curry chicken or the roti in this video, but I will leave those links down below, so you guys need to watch those two videos, my curry chicken video and my roti video, in order to make the roti wrap. All right, I hope I explained it good. So let me just show you how to make this delicious roti wrap. It's an appetizer, so enjoy. All right guys, so for our roti wrap, all we need is a roti, some chicken curry with potato, but you have to use the boneless chicken, and some toothpick. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is pour my chicken curry into my roti here. Just like this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna roll my roti now. So let me roll it from this side here. So just gonna roll it just like this. Perfect. See how I rolled it just like this? So what I'm gonna do now, you're gonna take a knife and you're gonna cut it just like this. This is my chicken curry, but I need a sharper knife. So this is my chicken curry roti wrap. Alright guys, and then you're gonna take your toothpick and you're gonna push it in like this. Take your toothpick and you're gonna push it down just like this. So this is a perfect appetizer for a party. Alright guys, so this is the roti wrap here, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste my roti wrap on camera and there you guys see. This is the roti wrap here. I'm gonna take out my toothpick out of it and try it for you guys. Tastes really good, guys. This is a nice appetizer for a birthday party, wedding, even for you to even make it home for yourself if you want. Guys, this is so delicious. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget, in the link down below I will leave the link for my Guyanese chicken curry and my Guyanese roti. You have to watch those two videos in order to make the roti wrap. Alright guys, and if you reached the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright, and also you guys can subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Alright guys, take care and have a blessed day. Bye.